Hey, what's up, savage heads? How are you? Here we are. So I said I was going to show you how to shim your transmission on my second video of my build. Okay, so very easy. Will take nothing. We have to take all these screws off. Blah 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 blah. I've got one left. So take the last one off if it wants to. It must be off. Okay, and you just put it apart. Okay, take it slowly, push it, and there you got it. Okay, so this is our transmission. Very simple. Okay, where are we going to shim? We're going to shim here and here. Okay, very easy, very simple. We just put one shim here and one shim here. Okay, we put it back on and it would be shimmed. Doesn't matter if it's a 2-gear or a 3-gear transmission. Okay, it goes here. Why does it have to take this shimmed? Very simple. So, very simple, for the reason that our gearbox has loads and loads and loads of play. Oh, let me take off this screw. That's a screw that holds on the reverse module, okay? It doesn't matter. Okay, where's the problem here? The problem, we have it here in a very long plate. Look. Okay, in my case I have a reverse module, and if you can see, there's loads of play here in this one too. So we're going to have to shim all of it, okay, to take this off. Otherwise it just rubs against the gearbox. Okay, so take it apart, put the shims in here and here. Okay, if we want to shim the 3rd gear, well, these gears, this only has one shim, okay, and we can only shim it in one place, and it's here next to the bearing. To access it, it's very simple, and this also can lead to help you once you do this. You can also adjust your 2nd gear, okay, because the only way to adjust your 2nd gear on a 3-gear gearbox is to open it all. Okay, so this video can help you to do this too. Okay, so very simple. We take this off. See? That one. Not that one either. This one. Very good. So we take this off. Okay, this has 2 screws. Okay, it's got this little tiny one that holds the one below in place so it doesn't get fucked up, doesn't unscrew. Okay, and now you pull this. Okay, this goes here. Okay, take this off. Okay, and take this off. Okay, now here behind this we've got the shims. Okay, so we shim here behind this bearing, we shim the gears. Okay, only one. Okay, it already has one. We're going to put one more, really thin one, because this already comes with play, and I don't think it's a very good idea to mess up with this part of the gearbox. Okay, so only one shim here behind it. Okay, and we've got to start putting everything back on. Spins great. Put this back on. See the direction, yeah? So this would be badly put on, okay? This is the opposite way round. The screw that adjusts your third gear must go on this side, okay? Yeah, that's it. See? Now what do we do? Put this back on. Put this back on. And put this back on. Okay. Look for, put the screw back on. There, we got it. Okay, so you've got your speed, your gears. See, there's a lot less play, okay, but only one shim. Cool. So as I said before, put this back on. Put the shims on. Here. And here. Once we've done that, okay, once we've done that, you would have, in the next video I'm going to show you how to shim the reverse module, okay? We have to shim this too, okay? But in the next video I'll show you how to shim your reverse module. And this is done, okay? These two shims here, we put this back on. Screw it. And look, hardly no play now. Spins perfect, okay? Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Next video, we'll shim our reverse module. Bye guys.